The OnePlus Open 2 might have just solved foldables' biggest problem, and Samsung should be worried. What's up guys, Atif here with an exclusive look at the thinnest, most advanced foldable of 2025. Global release confirmed. Oppo just announced their Find N5 launches globally in 2 weeks, and since Oppo and OnePlus are siblings, this means the Open 2 is coming worldwide simultaneously. No more waiting months for international releases. The Crease killer. Check these leaked hands-on photos. The Open 2's display looks flatter than a Galaxy Z Fold 6. How? A revolutionary titanium hinge that makes the crease practically invisible. And guess what? Samsung's scrambling to copy this tech for their next foldable. Thinness war champion. Oppo's teaser reveals the thinnest foldable ever, with a motherboard 31% smaller despite packing 20+ new components. Yet somehow, they've increased the battery size while beating everyone on thickness. Engineering witchcraft. Samsung beating upgrades. The Open 2 fixes every complaint about Gen 1. 50-watt wireless charging versus Samsung's 15-watt. IP68, IP69 rating survives hot water jets. Bigger screens than Z Fold 6. Rumors claim over 15 upgrades that outclass Samsung's current flagship foldable. Launching soon globally. Want a full breakdown of how the Open 2 destroys the Z Fold 6? Click here, drop a comment. Would you switch from Samsung to OnePlus? Smash the like button if you're hyped for creaseless foldables and subscribe for our Day 1 Open 2 review.